Welcome back to Professional Mathematics. In today's lesson, we will be talking about the BI method of integration by parts. Now, integration by parts is a method used to find the product integral of two functions. Now, the formula for integration by parts is given by the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. Now, suppose we want to find the integral of two product functions, then we can simply apply this formula, which is the integration by parts formula. But there's a much easier method we can use to find the integral of two product functions. Now, this short method now is known as the BI method. So stick with me in this video as we explore the BI method of integration by parts. Let's get into the video. Now, suppose we are asked to evaluate the integral of x squared exponential 2x dx. Now, applying this integration by parts formula, we are supposed to use the integration by parts to evaluate this integral. Now, the BI method is just telling us, giving us a much easier way we can evaluate this integral without repeating this formula. Now, let's see how the BI method works. The first thing there is to draw a table. Alright, so we have this. So what we want to do there is to write D, like we said, the BI method. So we draw a table of two columns. We have D, then we have I. Now, of course, you should know what the BI method is. The BI method is simply differentiation and integration. You integrate one part of the function and then you differentiate the other part of the function. So the first thing we want to do there is to write out the first function, x squared. Please take note. The question now is, which of them is your D and which of them is your I? We are using the acronym LIATE. LIATE. This stands for log function, inverse street function, algebraic function, trigonometric function, and exponential function. So the one that comes first automatically becomes your u. So of course, from this LIATE, we can note that algebraic function comes before exponential function. So it means that our u is x squared, which is the polynomial or the algebraic function. So when I assign our x squared to d, then our exponential 2x to the integral. And of course, we have to also assign a sign convention, meaning that we need to put a sign convention for both b and I. So what is the sign convention? The initial sign convention is plus. So you start with plus and then you alternate the sign. So starting from plus, the next one will be minus. And of course, what does this mean? This simply means differentiate. B means differentiate x squared. So if you differentiate x squared, you have 2x. And this simply means integrate exponential 2x. So if we integrate exponential 2x, don't forget to integrate an exponential function. You take the derivative of the exponent and divide it by the function. So what we have there, the derivative of the exponent, if we differentiate 2x, we are going to have 2. So we divide it by 2, and then we rewrite the function exponential 2x. In that case, we have differentiated exponential 2x. Then the next thing again we want to do is to assign the sign convention plus, then we differentiate 2x, we obtain 2. We integrate this again. If we integrate exponential 2x again, remember this is a constant. So what we have, we are dividing it again by the derivative of the exponent, which is 2. So 2 times 2 becomes 4. So we have exponential 2x over 4. Then the next one we want to do again is to assign our sign convention, which is negative now, minus, we differentiate 2, you have 0. And then you integrate this, you have exponential 2x over 8. Exponential 2x over 8. Now the question now is, how will you know when to stop differentiating? Once your differential function goes to 0, then you stop and then you assign the sign, they will follow the sign convention and get the answer to that integral. So now that we have attained zero in differentiating our x squared from negative from positive, we can now start. Now, how do we do this? We just take it, we multiply it diagonally. So we multiply this, and multiply this. If we perform that, and then we are done. So let's start. This is plus. Don't forget, this is plus. So x squared times this gives us what? We have x squared times this. We have times exponential 2x over 2. Then remember, this is negative. So we have minus 2x times this give us 2x exponential 2x over 4. And what we have here is plus what? 2 exponential 2x over 8. So the next thing we want to do there is to just simplify. So let's quickly simplify and see what we have. Alright, so if we simplify, what we have there is x squared exponential 2x over 2 minus 2 going to 4. We have x exponential 2x over 2 plus 2 into 8. We have exponential 2x over 4. So this becomes the answer to that integral as fast as you can using the DI method. So if you learned something from this video today, please kindly give the video a thumbs up and also ensure to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, never stop learning, because those who stop learning have stopped living. Goodbye.